Hi. Today we're at the range with the old Colt official police, and I have some antique ammo we're using. Here it is here. There it is. Having a little trouble getting some of these old cartridges to go in the gun. I have shot quite a few of them, but I forgot to turn this on. So I got enough. All these won't fit in the gun. They're too puffed up. But I got 6 of them in there. So I'm going to shoot the 6. I've been shooting at a little target down there. So we'll shoot these 6 and then we'll walk down there. At least this won't be that long of a video. So well, that's that. Ooh, they're stuck. Alright, sorry about that. I didn't have this on and I was shooting before. But we'll walk down there. I'll show you my peppered up target down there with these old police loads. It's a beautiful day. That old gun, it shoots pretty good. I think I'm all over this thing. Like I said, it was 25 yards. We'll take a look at it. There's a black wasp flying around me. Oh, I peppered that thing up. Not bad for just blasting away at 25 yards. Yeah, looked pretty good. Yeah, I was aiming. Top of the sight was right here, so it obviously shoots a little high. So, what? That's it. And sorry about not turning the camera on right away. Here, we'll walk up and take a look at the gun again. A little better look. It is an old state police trade-in. When I got it, I actually got the old holster with it too. Patent leather, no less. But that's the way state cops used to look. All patent leathered up. Here, let's take a look at this. Here it is. Pretty cool gun. Seen its use. Yeah. There it is. That sight's pretty high for it to be shooting that high, huh? You could have shot a little lower. I put that Tyler T grip on there so my knuckle wouldn't get banged on that thing. But there it is. Thanks for watching the video. And again, I can't apologize enough for putting the camera on. But these old rounds, they did fire, the ones that fit in the gun. There they are. Yep. They're a little poofed out right below the head. I don't know. Alright, thanks for watching the video.